Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Nishan and today we are doing yet again another hair update. So if you can't tell, I went back in and I did touch up my hair again just for a quick rundown. My hair was naturally black. I went in and did kind of chunky highlights on myself, but I did like it, but I wanted to be more blonde, so I went in and just made the highlights super thin. So my hair is primarily blonde. The roots are still black. The blending is a little choppy. I know I did it myself. I'm not a professional. I know it's not the best. I'm probably gonna go back in and I'm thinking of just going straight to the root and just not having any black roots, which was I originally wanted, just so that I don't have to worry about when it grows out having a super harsh line. I did do the two blonde pieces in the front. But yeah, I'm undecided what I'm going to do about the roots. But as for the bottom, I do like the color a lot. It's kind of just like some like blonde, I guess, where it's like blonde but has hints of like kind of the darker tones in it. So what we're doing today is, as much as I'm happy with how much my hair has grown after I chopped it off a couple years ago, I miss having super long hair. So I bought extensions. So today we are going to be going over that. So the extensions that I got are from the brand Full Shine. This is what the box looks like that it came in. I got this on Amazon. Full Shine, I think, also sells on AliExpress. I bought from this brand before years ago when I used to wear clip-in extensions. So just thought I'd go back and do that. The only thing is they sell these in sets of 60 grams. So you get 3 wefts. You have a 3 clip weft here. And then you get 2 of the 4 wefts. Oop. So you get these 2. Okay, so the 3 pieces together are 60 grams. I bought 4 packs, so that is 240 grams. This is what they look like. So I wanted to get something again with the dark root because I think even though I am gonna bring it up, I do still want to have a little bit of dark root. And then the bottom is just kind of like a blonde mix. In this lighting, it honestly doesn't look like it matches at all, but I swear it does match. Wow, it looks really bad actually in this lighting. We'll put them on and we'll see how they look. Now I'm a little bit nervous after seeing it in this lighting. I did put them on this morning as soon as the package got delivered. So it did match when I put it in, but now I'm a little bit more nervous. We'll see. These are the rest of them, by the way. So this is 1 pack and these are the other 3. So this is what they look like all together. And the only thing is, I don't love the fact that it only comes in like the 3 and the 4 clip wefts, because obviously this is very long. But for example, when you're putting in the nape of the neck or also just up here by the roots, you do kind of want smaller ones. Like this piece, for example, like it's super long. Like I can't put this towards the top of my head. So what I'm planning on doing is cutting some of them. So I think I'm going to take maybe 1 or 2 of the 4 wefts and just cut them in half, just to make them smaller and a little bit easier to work with. But I'm not going to do that today. I'm just going to apply them today and just make sure that everything blends and looks good. So yeah, let's get started with that. Just as a note, so this is what oh my god, it's so loud. This is what the box looks like when it comes from Amazon. I'm not sure if you order from other places the same. So it came in this little hair netting. It does come with this free hair clip, which I'm going to use right now. It says Full Shine on it too, which is really cute. And we use that to hold my hair up. And it came in this little baggie. And then inside it just has all these different care instructions, and then just the brand's like social media and stuff. Yeah, okay. So like I said, doing ones at the nape of the neck are going to be a little difficult because the pieces are huge, but I'm just going to take the 3 clip piece, just since it's the smallest one I have, and I'm going to try to work this in the very back. But like I said, like if you see, I have all this extra on both sides. So I'm just gonna try and squeeze them in wherever I can. Okay. All right. Going with the next clip. I'm gonna be doing the 4 clip next. So clipping it on the back and then bringing that up to the front sides. Okay. All right. So it's like I feel like it matches so far. Like when I tested it this morning, it did seem to match. In this lighting, I feel like it's not gonna look the best. I promise you, in person, it did seem to match. Okay, so I'm gonna layer these two 4 pieces basically on top of each other without pulling any more hair down. Oh, just because I'm worried I'm gonna run out of scalp because I'm already halfway to the top of my head and I have a lot of extensions, so I kind of gonna squish them down. At least if I could tilt this, you could see the bottom a little more. Okay, all right, now let's pull another piece down. Okay, ow. Yeah, we're pretty far up my head. Like I'm already selecting like this, the top half, and I have a good amount of clips left. Okay, so I might do the same thing. Another thing with the fact that these are 4 is, oh my god. Another thing with the fact that these are the 4 webbed is so if I put it in the back, it doesn't pull all the way to the front. So I feel like what I have to do is put the extensions in the front here and then just have it end kind of towards the back of my head. But that's the only way it'll really work, because if I put it on normally and apply evenly where it's like in the middle of my head, then I'm not going to have enough extensions to cover like the front. Like this would basically have been back here and then all in the front would just be my hair, and I just wouldn't blend very well, if that makes literally any sense. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to part it just a little bit, and then I'm going to just again start the extension toward the front of my head, just so we don't have a bunch of my natural hair sticking out in the front. I have so many clips yet. I don't know how I'm gonna fit all these on my head. Okay, so we'll bring that down. All right, we're gonna go in with another 4 clip and start again towards the front of my face. Okay, and then clip these in. And then see, this one now is ending here. So it almost makes it all the way back to the front, but not quite. But that's fine. Okay, so don't they match, right? It's not just me, like they match pretty well. Maybe not. I think so. Kind of hard to tell. We'll see. I mean, I already bought 4 packs of them. I'm not going to return them now, so I'm just going to be a little delusional and just tell myself that it looks great because I have them now, and this is what's going to be in my head. So okay, we're getting pretty close to the top here, so I'm going to start parting it basically right on top of each other because I have 2 packs still and I don't have that much head left, so I might have to go back in towards the bottom and kind of squeeze the extensions in where I can. Okay, where's the 3-piece? Okay, so I'm gonna take this 3-piece one here and again bring it close to my face over here. Okay. Ow. All right. Oops. Okay, and then I'm gonna take a 4-piece, and I'm not going to do a new part. I'm just gonna try and stack this one on top of that one because again, I am running out of scalp to part before I get too close to the top of my head. So I'm just going to put that one there. I can't see with all this hair on my head. Okay, I feel like I did a bad job parting actually. Oh my gosh. I'm basically just doing this into the camera, so I don't have the best angle here. I can't really see what I'm doing. Ow, 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 ow. Okay. All right, so we have just this top piece left. Okay. All right, so we have one, what is this? A 3-piece, and then two, okay, so we have 2 3-pieces and 2 4-pieces left. All right, so I'm gonna throw everything in the back. Okay, so I think I'm gonna take the 2 3-pieces and hopefully do them next to each other and bring them to the front. So we'll have one 3-piece starting here. So I'm losing the light outside, so it's quickly getting dark. So let's wrap this up. Oh God, ow. Okay, so let's see what we have here. All right, for the most part, looks pretty good. I have some extra clips, so I could also go back in if I see anywhere that it looks like my natural hair is showing too much. Okay, so this is where we get run into issues, because as you can see, we're pretty close to the top of my head. My hair's literally so thick. And we have these 2 4-pieces left. So now I'm running into that issue I was saying earlier, where I would typically get like maybe like a 2-piecer and put it right here and maybe stack them. But because these ones are so long, I'm not exactly sure what to do, especially because I need them up in the front to kind of mask these super thick pieces up here. So I guess let's see what we can do. We'll do our best. Should I just cut it right now? I don't really see how we can really make this work. Okay. Ow. Okay. I wonder if maybe I can get one piece to go all the way from the front of my face around. So if I start from the back and put it in the middle. Okay, it gets pretty close to the front. Okay, so I think this is good for this layer. My hair on the front is definitely showing. But I think it's okay. It's definitely getting dark outside, so my video quality is quickly decreasing. Okay, let's finish this quick. All right, so put down this. I just have like this last layer. I'm gonna try and squeeze the last 4-piece and do the same thing and try to get it to come around to the front as much as I can without it showing. Okay. Ooh. All right, so we have our last 4-piece here. So again, I'm just gonna try to put it in the center and then bring it to the front sides. There and there. I feel like I didn't bring it up to the root enough. I feel like these pieces are still pretty thick, so I don't know if it'll blend. Yeah, I definitely need to cut those pieces because they have like this chunky piece. Like I wasn't able to get close enough to the root. Let me see if I could get it closer, but it's just hard because the piece is so big. This is better, it's smaller, so it'll be closer to the front, but oh. Here, and then bring these up here. Okay, okay, this could potentially be good. I don't know, let's see. Maybe if I brush it out a little bit. I really can't see, my lighting is quickly depleting here. Yeah, you could definitely completely see it here. I feel like if I could just cut them, as I was saying earlier, in a way where I could place them a little better, I would like it more, because typically the way extensions come, let me just scoot back a bit. Extensions typically come in like multiple different sizes and pieces. Like they'll have a 4-piece, a 3, like 2 3-pieces, 2 4-pieces, maybe a couple 2s, and then even a couple 1-pieces. So the fact that this one comes with like 2 4s and 3 is very untraditional. But for the most part, I feel like the color does match pretty well. And I do like it a lot. I definitely need to play with it a little bit more. And like I said, I'm definitely going to be cutting some of the pieces to be a little smaller just so I can work them in a little better. But oh my God, we're literally in the dark. Like it's pitch black outside. Okay, but what do we think? Of course, we have our pieces here that are sticking out. But for the most part, I feel like the color match is pretty good. I feel like the hair does blend in, especially if I were to curl it and actually try more to make it blend. For reference, here is my hair styled and curled during the daylight. As you can see, the extensions blended in quite well. The color looks really good and you can't really tell my hair too different from the extensions. So all in all, they look really, really good and I love them. I will post the extensions that I got down below so you can see the color. I think I got really lucky with the color just because since I did do it myself, the bleaching, I was worried it would be difficult to find a good color match, but I feel like this color does match pretty well with the highlights and everything. So looks pretty good to me. Let me know what you guys think. I'm so sorry about the lighting. I filmed this basically at sunset and now it's getting dark. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.